what if we could get to that point to where in humility we lay down our pride, and when someone mistreats us, or they say something wrong about us, or when we get persecution comes our way, whatever it is, we're more concerned about how that action is going to affect that person than how it's going to impact us. That's why in humility, like the world has never seen before or since, Jesus could pray from the cross, not after the cross, but on the cross. Father, forgive them, for they know not what they do. Love works through humility, and forgiveness works through humility. Why does pride make forgiveness so difficult? And what else? Just think about this as you go through this week. And what is it in your life that's standing in the way of you and humility? Is forgiveness something you're struggling with? And we can see that unforgiveness is a symptom of pride. And pride in its destructive nature will destroy you if you don't turn it over to the Lord and completely give your life to Him. Just lay that down at His feet and say, Lord, I'm struggling with this pride. And just it's something that you can take from me. And experience the joy of walking in humility, walking with Christ as a man after God.